testing. Testing. We are testing the mic. Calabar. Hey, testing. Hey. Nigerian youth, hey man, making us proud. Lion no dey born cats. They born cub, lion cub. Now I think be that. You understand? You for oppressed us, you cannot oppress our children. Like, yeah, you know, feel happen. They might have been quiet all this while. You dare them. The gauntlet was thrown and they picked it up and they are doing it very well. See videos from Calabar. See pictures from Calabar. They say they are just testing the mic. Testing. I remember when I did that Arise interview and I said, look, we've not started yet. We never see nothing. You see people when you tell them, say there no be anything, they go show you, say there be something. This election, we die here. It's an election for survivor. And I'm loving the fact that, you know, citizens are taking this on. It's possible. You are the structure. When they say there's no structure, tell them say you did. And I love the fact that Nigerians are actually showing it. They're coming out. This is what elections should be all about. Let people come out and be the ones to decide who is it that they want. And I'm loving, hey, Calabar. Before it was Nasarawa, they say, hey, it's a fluke, blah, blah, blah. Now Calabar don't do. The next, imagine. Hey. I'm just loving. Just testing the mic. Now we born them. You see this Gen Z generation? Now we born them. And we tell them, say, they must never, ever allow themselves to be intimidated. And we are glad. The lessons have been entering the way it should be. Enough of the nonsense that has been happening in Nigeria. Enough of the nonsense that people have tolerated. That fear where people have held themselves back. That fear, by the grace of God, has been broken. And you see the true spirit of Nigeria. We know before moi. The fact that say people, they know they look now, they don't do other things before. No mean say they don't get head. When I don't use our head, they do coconut anyhow. You turn people to MU. Now that coconut, they don't carry am as coconut head say, you know if you break them again. I'm so loving the images that are coming out from Calabar. Calabar. Hey! Testing.
Them out there, let me tell you something. Tonight, many of them will go back to bed and they'll be shaking. Many of them will have sleepless nights because of what has happened today. In less than how many weeks? See the people that came out. These people came out not because anybody promised them 5,000, 2,000, 10,000. But these people came out.
okorobịa